Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I want to do a quick video for some of my generator users out there, some people that have RVs. This is a extension cable that was sent out to me to review. I want you guys to take a look at this. All right, guys, so let me show you guys what you get here. This is one of your standard 4-prong cables. Now, this is very, very heavy duty. You have your male and female side of this. This is going to be great for your generators. This is going to be ideal for RVs, charging up things like that. It comes with this little strap here for transporting it. You basically can just loop this under like this and then clip it, and then you'll be able to walk around with this. So it just helps keep everything organized. Now, this is the 16-foot variant. It does come in other lengths. Now, this is a 50-watt 240 volt cable. So if you need one of these, you already know that you need one of these. And I'm telling you guys, this is very, very high quality. So for anybody out there, like I said, guys, if you have an RV, if you have a generator, you have, whether it's a solar powered generator, gas powered generator, this is going to be an excellent cable for you. Definitely take a look at this and some of the accessories that come with it. Don't forget, this also comes with a storage bag. And this bag is going to allow you to place the entire cable inside. Let me show you guys what that looks like before we end this video. So as you guys can see, we can fit the entire cable inside. This little strap will fit inside as well. You have double zippers on here. Like so. And you have these nice little handles for carrying this around. Really neat. One little simple pocket here, maybe for some accessories. But yeah, guys, this is a really nice little bundle. So again, if you guys need a cable, here it is. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.